Hi, today I'm for the fix Xiaomi Redmi pads and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll and tap to the sound section. Here we'll see the first notification section sound. Click here to the section and tap select one from the sounds on tap to more and click here if you want to use the local ringtone or just select one from this available sounds. After that, let's just go back. You can see the message that this notification sound applied successfully, and we can see it also here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.